everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here today from a company called AdoreKnits on Etsy. And she does stitch markers. And I opened this up, but I didn't really look inside. I just saw that there was a stitch marker on top, and I thought, okay, I'm going to stop because I know that you guys are going to want to see this. Oh my goodness. I ordered quite a bit. Oh, and there's even a note. I love this gingham bag too. So let's see. Hi Tammy, thank you for your order. You've got the holidays covered. Yes, I did. I ordered holiday stuff. I hope the sheep and llamas make you smile and the ghost speeds your knitting along. Oh, how cute. I'm sitting along a lucky clover and a bicycle keeper as a little thank you. Enjoy and happy spring knitting. Oh, how cute. So this is from AdoreKnits, Steph and Steve. I think that it's a husband and wife. And then what did I order in here? Oh yeah, I ordered a Hermione Granger, like a little wand. That's a shawl clip. Isn't that cute? So it's like a replica of Hermione's wand, and I just thought it would be really cute as a little shawl clip. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I love the packaging. I love this royal blue bag too, and it has a little glitter on it. Oh, how cute. I'm not going to leave it in here though, because if I do, I'll never use it. So I'm going to take it out. I might put it in here. I don't know. We'll see. But oh, I'm excited. That's really cute. And I love all the little bags. So here's a pink bag. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. So my daughter, you guys probably know, I like to call her Chicken. And this I know is for Easter, but when I saw it, I thought, this is so cute. It reminded me of her. It has the little chick. And these are all stitch markers. So there's a stitch marker. Oh, no, they're not all stitch markers. This is a progress keeper. So the progress keepers have lobster clasps on them, and the stitch markers are just the round stitch markers. The stitch markers are honestly my favorite thing. I use these all the time, and I lose them, unfortunately, sometimes too. So I like to have a bunch of them, and it's kind of cute that the little set matches. I don't always like little dangly things on them, but when I do, it has to be something really cute. So the chicken is really cute, and then the lobster clasps, I literally track my progress on them. So it's a progress keeper, so you can see, like, I might put it on there. I try to do it actually for my knitting vlogs. I'll put it on there for when I'm finished with my knitting vlog, and then the next time I do a vlog, I can show you guys how far I've gotten. I don't always remember to do that, but that's what my intention is. Or sometimes I like to see how far I have gotten in a specific day or whatever. But it tracks your progress. So that's what that is, and this one's really cute. I'm gonna have to get some special containers or something for these, because these little plastic bags don't do it for me. I get frustrated with them. Oh, and this is the bike that she sent along. How cute is that? That is really cute. And that has a big clip. That's really nice. Sometimes these big clips are really nice too for other things. And sometimes they even do like an earring back, kind of a roundy clasp. And I like those too. So this is really cute, and this is kind of neat because this twists. So very cute. And then the set was this little llama, which is so stinking cute. A little pink little llama, and then there's purple and pink little stitch markers, and then here is the clover that she sent along too. How cute is that? It's a little 4-leaf clover. This llama is so sweet. Hopefully you guys can see the little detail. And I will link her shop below. If I've forgotten for any reason, please kindly remind me and I'll be happy to add it. But I'm usually pretty good at it. But if I forget to, you guys can just go to Etsy and type in AdoreKnits, K-N-I-T-S, and the shop should come up for you. And let's see what's in this one. This one looks Halloween-y. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I did try to do a lot of the holidays and stuff. I was making a big order, so I just thought, why not? Oh gosh, so there is a haunted house with little ghosts and a moon. And then here's a little ghost stitch marker. And then there's black and orange and purple stitch markers too on gold. Super cute. I love how she personalized the note and even said something about the ghost helping me knit faster. That's what I need, so I hope you do your work, Ghosty. Oh my gosh. This is a Mickey Mouse one, and it is adorable. I think she put them in different bags of different seasons. It's really sweet. Okay, so, oh my goodness, look at this Mickey Mouse. Isn't that cute? And then there's a Christmas tree. And then there's red, black, and silver with white. That is just adorable. Oh, and green too. I didn't mention green. My dogs are barking because they went in, and they're just going to have to wait until I'm finished with this. They've been being crazy all evening, so I haven't been able to do this. I have this one, and I had one more that I was going to do that I haven't even, I don't know when I'm going to be able to do it. Maybe tonight still, but maybe not. And I'm working on a hat, so I just have lots of things I need to be working on. There's a card I need to make. Oh my goodness. So this was the ugly sweater kit, but this is hardly an ugly sweater. That has Rudolph on it. It's adorable. And then there's a present, and all of the little rings are red with white, gold, and red or clear beads. Super cute. Super cute. She must make these herself is the only thing I can think, which would make sense. It is Etsy. But she does a good job. They're really cute. Oh, I want to do this one next because I see another llama. So I'm not sure, did she? No, okay. So these are gold, and I love the gold bag. I love all these little organza bags. They're so cute. So here's another llama that I just thought was adorable. And then he has rainbow stitch markers. And you can see some of them are different sizes. So like these are pretty small, but that's okay. This would work for like a sock or something like that. They're staticky. They are sticking together somehow. That is so funny. That is wild. I don't know how they're sticking together. For a second it looked like they were magnetic, but I know they're not. But I don't know, but it's really cute. So there is that one. And this one is a little sheep. And she said that she hopes the sheep and llamas make you smile, and they sure do. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see his eyes, but I hope you can because they're so sweet. And then this one has kind of pastel with the gold. Like there's purple and blue and green and white. They're just really cute. I have ants. It's springtime in Indiana, and although I have sprayed, they sometimes still get in, and it drives me bananas. I've said that for the last few weeks, it seems like. And then here's a really pretty ice blue bag, which is perfect for for this winter themed set. I saw a snowflake. Oh yeah, and there's a cup of coffee or hot cocoa, whatever you want that to be. It has a little heart on it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That's a really cute little vessel. So there's that. Why did I call that a vessel? I have no idea. And a snowflake, and then there's different shades of blue and white and silver. Just looks very wintry, along with the mug. That sounds better than a vessel. I don't know what I don't know. Sometimes I just don't even know. And then this one, oh yeah, this is what started the whole thing. I found this sloth, and I thought it was so stinking cute. And it kind of works for me because sometimes I can be a really slow knitter. Other times I can be kind of quick, but this one's kind of heavy, but it's really cute. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's so cute. And then this stitch marker has little flowers, and they're blue and silver and white. And then same with these stitch markers. I love those different colors of blue. It just all looks so pretty together. Oh my goodness, you did such a great job. I love this. Now this would have to go on something that's a little bit stronger, like a sweater or something, which is fine because that's when I'm slow. Well, I'm slow on other things too, but you know what I mean. You know, it takes a while to make a sweater. All right, so that is everything I got from AdoreKnits, and I sure hope that you guys check her shop out if you need some stitch markers. They are super cute, and I know that sometimes she has a sale, which is what she was having when I ordered these. I don't remember exactly what the sale was, but it made me buy a lot, so it worked. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Enjoy today.